Miro AI is available right on the board itself, which means it can help you generate content from scratch, use visuals on the board as context, and output in multiple formats, including docs, tables, diagrams, and prototypes, all within a collaborative environment. Let's see how it works. Let's imagine we're transforming our company's pricing strategy in response to some market forces. We've got a workshop outlined on the board, but we need Miro AI's help to quickly add some visuals to the board to spark meaningful discussions. We'll start by clicking the Create with AI icon just above the Creation toolbar. From this panel, we can choose the type of output we'd like: a doc, images, sticky notes, tables, a diagram, or a prototype. For our pricing workshop, we'll select Diagram and then Mind Map. Notice that when we select an output option, we begin a chat with Miro AI. There are suggested prompts that we can use, or just write our own. We'll type, "Create a mind map to help me understand different pricing approaches for software companies." For example, premium, tiered, usage-based, etc. Include branches with the definition, advantages, disadvantages, when to use, and examples of companies using each approach. Click Generate and let Miro AI work its magic. Perfect! What we're doing here is we're using Miro AI to build context about pricing strategies on the board, which we'll use to enhance our conversations, as well as accelerate future Miro AI tasks. Now, let's fast forward. The workshop is done, and we've completed a few strategy and prioritization exercises as a group. We've also gathered references to competitors' pricing strategies. Here's where Miro AI's most powerful feature comes into play: incorporating board content into our prompts. We'll open Miro AI again, choose Document, and ask Miro AI to compare our competitors' pricing against the strategy we've outlined during the workshop. Before generating, we'll select these pricing pages, the results of the workshop exercises, and the mind map we created earlier. This context-aware approach greatly enhances Miro AI's output because it understands not only the text, but also the visuals. If we aren't happy with the initial results, we can adjust the prompt and try again. Each version of Miro AI's output can be revisited to help us decide which version to add to the board by clicking Apply to Canvas. Now to the final step in our workflow, jumpstarting execution. With all of this context on the board, we can dramatically accelerate next steps. First, let's choose Table in Miro AI. For our prompt, we'll type, "Create a table that shows how to transition from our current pricing structure to a new one." We'll have it include estimated complexity, which teams should be involved, and an estimated workback schedule. Nice! Look at how we've moved from initial context building to competitive analysis to actionable deliverables, all without leaving our Miro board. Start moving faster with Miro AI. We can't wait to see how far you go.